Okay, I'm sitting in the operator's seat and I'm going to lower the steering wheel down to where it's comfortable for me and whatever's comfortable here. The starter switch is over here on the right hand side. I am in neutral with this lever and neutral with the lever here on the left hand side. The basic parameters of this transmission are that we have neutral here, and you can either use the clutch or leave it in neutral, and then you can move this lever into positions. So we have on here A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we have 6 ranges. When I would be, if I'm in B here and I'm ready to go forward, I will push this lever forward and that will go forward. I do not have to have my foot on the clutch at all. I can go from here to back with the engine running and it'll move. Anytime this is in neutral, I can shift this gear, or I can use the clutch to shift. Another alternative is that even if I am going, let's say I'm starting out in B and I begin going forward with my shuttle shifter and I want to go faster, we have 4 gears within each of these range. So these 2 buttons is to lower it and to raise the speed. So from here I'd be at the number 1 gear. I can bump it up once, twice, go to 2, 3, and 4. And also use these 2 rabbit and tortoise for going to a lower gear and to a higher gear. If I've got to the top of the speed in this gear and in the B range, I can clutch it and shift to a higher range and let out on the clutch, and then I may want to then readjust. That will take me from, like I'm at 4, I'd be from 4B to 4C. I can also use this upper button in lieu of the clutch, and so if I've pushed this button in, then I can shift and release. So again, don't have to use the clutch to do that. In the upper 2 ranges, which are E and F, if you are an E and you have throttle at full, you can jump up from 1 gear, 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you reach the full speed at 4, you can just push this button in, pull into F, release the button. The transmission will automatically kick down into 1, 2, or 3, or 4. That will allow that transmission to take hold but not lug the engine, and it'll be a smooth transition. And then this, again, this is just the upper 2 road gears, E and F. Again, go on up 2, 3, and 4, and then you're at maximum road speed. So that's a short version of the transmission on this. Again, the shuttle shift is over here on the left side. So forward, neutral, and reverse. You will have to be in neutral with this to start it. And it's good practice to be not only neutral, but in park when you start the engine. So I'm going to now